My mic is fixed. Thanks for joining us on KCEN. I'm Bailey Bates. We want to get right to our news now. Next week is what many call Blue Monday, considered one of the most challenging days for mental health. And while Texas's Suicide Prevention Hotline is facing its own crisis, 6 News reporter Juliana Jackson shows why this timing is especially critical. Juliana.
Bailey, with the holidays are over and the days are shorter, some mental health experts say these factors could combine to make the third Monday of January Blue Monday. And this year, the day comes as Texas faces its own mental health crisis. As holiday decorations come down and winter settles in, mental health counselors say this time of year hits particularly hard.
Less sunshine, and we know that sunshine elevates our mental health. It makes total sense to me that this time of year would be a difficult or sad time.
But just when calls for help typically increase, Texas's 988 crisis line is under strain. According to the 988 system, more than 18,000 calls were abandoned in 8 months in 2024, with 83% being transferred out of state.
You pick up that phone, and then if there is a lag, if there's a wait time, between you making that phone call and getting in touch with a human, you have all kinds of time to talk yourself out of making that phone call.
The system faces a $7 million deficit. While Florida operates 13 call centers, Texas maintains just 5, despite having the second highest call volume in the nation.
So heartbreaking because somebody was brave enough to call and then they didn't get through, or their call was dropped, or they waited so long that they just gave up.
It might start with a missed phone call or an empty chair at dinner. Helping a loved one when seeing the signs is important.
Simply saying, I noticed. These are specific behavioral things that you are noticing, and then that person feels seen.
For those struggling, counselors emphasize reaching out is crucial, whether through 988 or other available resources.
Having thoughts of suicide, while heartbreaking, is not a bad thing. Let's not.
If you or someone you know needs support, 988 remains available 24/7. Counselors also recommend reaching out to local mental health authorities or calling 911 and requesting a mental health deputy in immediate crisis situations. Back to you, Bailey.